Yeah, to us so Ghana ni dwumadi ekoso fonton from dwumadi so kantanka fidwom hanmo na ye council asaban na esiedu ebepie so na nsem oka nyina ne se na beboa ma ade a ye yesu ne ye ban se ne ye carry ye ho ne hu ade betumi aye no ye betumi ahwe so din ne aye no ne yenhwe obi de no na ewo se yetumi ehu ade a yankase yenim na yetumi akoso pepe na ya ade se ne be ya yemfie ni ntu obi de so na yenhwe ma ade bia be kwakoye no emforefore yeso
adwene no ye ka mental health eye wadwene dia wodwene your perception anyhow you feel. I feel sad, I feel good, I'm happy, I have joy, and I'm depressed, I'm angry, I'm irritated. I know your feeling mood. Everywhere, how you behave, how you react to stimuli in your environment. They situation be koso tina wo be react no. Yes, sina wo dwene. The brain gives a message for you to know that bibiru kodo our environment ma empe another when you age ho and say obo pay wo feelings
we
pay wo feelings mood in mu na feel so o body so wa react to it the mental health ofri ho ya adwene mu ya feelings na yenze ye ayedenezi nse adwene no oho nye ndimu another ho onye free a mopocho o feelings so obaka na kakra na fi wa kanipedua no so na ye kan de damenzeme se yanhwe na yenyi emfi hena adwene mu hena kwan mu na ochara ozo ho bebre ntina enyimanima odi yesua how to clean it up. Ebi ohopa one day, ebi ohopa nisiri pen. Ebi ohwa wentu wenzizi ye. Say ye kadam emotional hygiene ni ya nhwe ni ye. Obi ahye nebufu wo school. Torebo school no orbe hia ne nya onko na wa ahye nebufu no. Create your own path. Be self-aware of your own strength. What you can do and achieve. Maybe because you are piling up so much, you are not able to achieve that much. Fun bits at a time. Then learn from experiences. We must learn. Attitude behaviors we carry it on, but it keeps hurting us. So learn from experiences so that you can change your behavior towards some situations. And then you can keep doing it on and on and on.
Now unique.
No, yes. So when this happens or occurs, you can walk and speak to a counselor, a licensed counselor, a professional, healthcare professional. On your business, we are trained to talk. And we use several therapies. And so, na wa church they may be if you're a psychologist. Now, these are the things that I was doing wrongly. This year, maya nedam na maraso menya asomdwe na apomizin.